Does your website have a homepage, but no About Us page for your visitors to learn more about you? Today, I'm going to show you the simple two-part process to create an About page in WordPress and add it to your main menu. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over Pages and click Add New. This opens the page editor. In the title box, type About Us or About Me. Below that, you can add any text or images that describe you or your business. Once you are happy with your content, click the blue Publish button at the top right. Great, your page is now live. But wait, we have one more very important step. We need to add this new page to your website's main navigation menu. Go back to your dashboard. On the left menu, hover over Appearance and click on Menus. On the left side of the menu screen, you will see a list of your pages. Check the box next to your new About Us page. Then, click the Add to Menu button. You can now drag and drop the page to position it where you want in your menu. Finally, make sure to click the blue Save Menu button. And that's it. You now have a professional About page that your visitors can easily find. If this WordPress tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more website tips.